Board the airplane, buckle in tight. Captain says we'll take off tonight. Wheels start rolling, engines hum. Hold on tight, here we come. Zoom, zoom, airplane into the air, flying through stars with a lion and a bear. Up, up, airplane, where will we go? An island of ice or a jungle below? Look out the window, what do you see? A flying whale waves, come follow me. The captain laughs, let's take a quick turn. Through rainbow rings, we twist and churn. Zoom, zoom, airplane through magic skies, dodging comets and pie-shaped clouds surprise. Up, up, airplane, what's next in line? An upside-down castle or a soda pop sign. Landing gear down, but wait, what's this? A candy cane airport, oh what bliss. Gingerbread pilots, marshmallow cars, chocolate runaways lit by stars. Time to refuel, oh no we're stuck. The runaway's covered in bubblegum muck. But teamwork saves us, the crew lends a hand. Now we're off to a musical band. Zoom, zoom, airplane, off we go, through lightning bolts that glow and glow. Up, up, airplane, to the moon's cafe, where space robots bake cookies all day. The journey ends, it's time to descend to the real world where adventures don't end. Wave to the airplane, we'll see you soon for our next big trip, maybe to the moon.